Okay, students. So here major axis was 6. That means 2a is equal to 6. So a will become 3. Now foci is given. So we'll find the distance between center and the one of the focus. One of the two foci. So 0, 0 and 0, 2. The distance, the x coordinate is remain as it is and the y coordinate is going to change. Therefore, the y coordinate is going to change from 0 to 2. So C will become 2. So C will become 2. C is the distance between center and one of the foci. So from 0, 0 to 0, 2. So C will become 2. A is found 3, C found 2. So we'll find B. By using the relation A square Minhal Hussain Naqvi 63802. And Sumer Ansar 630006. So this is the value of C. This is the value of A. We will find B. C square A square minus B square. Put the values. C is 2. 2 square. A is 3. So 3 square minus B square. It will become minus B square shifted on that side. Equal to 3 square will be 9. Minus 2 square will be 4. It will be shifted on the other side. It is 5. So B square is equal to 5. So B will become plus minus root 5. B will become plus minus root 5. Now we'll find the equation. X minus the x coordinate of the center 0 whole square upon plus y minus y coordinate of the center, this is 0, y minus 0 whole square upon equal to 1. The standard equation. Now what should be under x square and y square? Here the foci are 0, 2 and 0, minus 2. So y coordinate is going to change. Y coordinate is going to change. X coordinate is as it is. Y coordinate is going to change. Therefore, the transverse axis along y axis. transverse axis along y axis. So a square will become under y square. A square will become under y square. So a was 3. So that 3 will become under y square. 3 square. A is 3, so we have to put a square, it will be 3 square. And under x square will be b square. B square is 5. So it is 5. So final answer will become x square upon 5 plus y square upon 9 equal to 1. This is the answer. X square upon 5 plus y square upon 9 equal to 1. This is the answer. Heather Ali, 64068. And other is Muhammad Humayun, 64086. So this is the required equation. X square upon 5 plus y square upon 9 equal to 1. This is the required equation in its standard form. If we multiply by the LCM of 5 and 9, what will be the LCM of 5 and 9? The LCM of 5 and 9 will be 45. If we multiply by 45, the whole equation, we will get us state equation 45 into x square upon 5 plus 45 into y square upon 9 equal to 45 into 1. 5 ones are 5, 5 times are 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are. So the answer will become 9x square plus 5y square equal to 45. So this is the general equation. This is the standard equation. X square upon 5 plus y square upon 9 equal to 1. And this is the general equation. 9x square plus 5y square equal to 45. So this is the general equation. You may write the standard equation, or you may write the general equation. If it is asked to find the equation, so you may write the standard equation or you may write the general equation. That is your choice. If it is asked to find the general equation, then you must first write the standard equation, then you convert into the general equation. If it is asked to find the general equation, so first you find the standard equation, then you will write the general equation. If it is asked to find the standard equation, so up to here the final answer. If it is asked equation, so you may write general equation, you may write the standard equation, then or you may write the general equation. That depends upon you. Okay, that was question number 20. Now the minor axis and the foci are given. Question number 23. Foci and the minor axis are given. Question number 23. Question number 23. Foci 0, comma plus minus 3. Minor axis 6. Foci 0, comma plus minus 3. Therefore, there are two focuses 0, comma 3 and 0, comma minus 3. So we will find the center first. 0 plus 0, so one focus. Oh, okay, we will write the two foci separately. One is F 0, comma 3 and one is F dash 0, comma minus 3. We will find the center 0 plus 0 upon 2, the midpoint of the foci or the midpoint of the vertices. If the vertices are given, we will find the midpoint of the vertices. That will be the center. The foci are given, so we'll find the midpoint of the foci. That is the center. So 0 plus 0 upon 2 and 3 minus 3 upon 2. It will become 0, comma 0. It will become 0, comma 0. Now the transverse axis. The x coordinate is remain same in the both foci. First one 0, comma 3, the other one 0, comma minus 3. So x coordinate remains same and y coordinate is changing from 3 to minus 3. So therefore, transverse axis along y axis. Transverse axis along y axis. Now it is given minor axis is 6. So minor axis is 2b. Minor axis is equal to 2b. That is equal to 6. Minus x is 6. That means 2b is equal to 6. So we'll find the value of b. B will become 6 over 2. So that is 3. So B is 3, center is this, transverse axis y axis. Now foci is given and center we found. So distance from center to the focus, one of the foci, center to the focus will be C. C will be equal to from 0, 0 to 0, 3 will be 3. C is 3. So now if B is known, C is known, we can find A. Use the formula C square is equal to A square minus B square. Put the values. C is 3. So 3 square. A is unknown. Minus B. B is 3. It will become 9 A square minus 9. A square will become minus 9 will go on the other side. So 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. So A is equal to under root 18 plus minus under root 18. Now B is known, B is found 3, A is found and plus minus under root 3. So we will write the equation. Ariba Behzad 64251. So now the x minus 0, x minus x coordinate of the center equation. X minus x coordinate of the center whole square upon plus y minus y coordinate of the center whole square upon equal to 1. Now the transverse axis was along y axis. Therefore, a square will be written under y square. So it will become over there 18. And b square will be written under x. So 3 square. So final answer will become x square upon 9 plus y square upon 18 is equal to 1. This is the standard equation of the ellipse. X square upon 9 plus y square upon 18 equal to 1. We may convert into the general equation. If you multiply by the LCM of denominators, 9 and 18, LCM will be 18. If we multiply by 18, we will get the general equation. If we multiply by 18 this one, 9 2s are 18. So 2x square, 18 is cancelled over there, plus y square, 18 into 1 will be 18. This is the general equation. 2x square plus y square equal to 18. This is the general equation of the ellipse. X square upon 9 plus y square upon 18 equal to 1. This is the standard equation. This is the standard equation. So this is the way how to find if the vertices are given, we will find the question number 24. Question number 24. Sir Bilal 64211. Question number 24. Have you all understood this question? Anything do you want to ask? No. It means you all have understood. Now question number 24. Sayyid Muhammad Hamza Raza 62381. 2381. Sayyid Muhammad Hamza Raza. Sir Bilal 64211. Yes, Ahmed Mirza. Okay, question number 24. Minor x is 5. Vertex is plus minus 7 comma 0. Question number 24. Minor x is 5. I don't know. Light is very low. Just wait, I check. Uh, is it clear, visible to you? स्टूडेंट्स, आपको बिल्कुल साफ नजर आ रहा है या लाइट कुछ कम है? मुझे यहाँ लाइट कम नजर आ रही है. यस इजहार. ये मुजम्मिल, क्या बेटा लाइट सही है या कम नजर आ रही है? मुझे तो बहुत कम लाइट नजर आ रही है. ओके, आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम.